All right, I'm ready.
All right, this one goes out to Mark. Phil's request of the night.
Kobe, you're my hero. You're my hero, Kobe.
My hero. Love you, man. Out on the road, late at nights in my pretty Alice. Every headlight, oh Alice.
I love you, Marc Eatons.
And if you give me white sand, show me the sign. I'll be moving. Kicked by the winds, robbed by the sleep, and my head so dim, but I'm still on my, and I'm still in a whole lot of trouble. Well, I smuggled some smokes from Mexico, big by the sun, every time I go to Mexico, and I'm still give me white skin, show me the sign.
Get some white on that shit. You're the best in the world, Dave. The best.
Happy birthday, Marc.
You want to say something? You want to say anything special?
Possibility.
You want to say something special?
Love you, Marc. Happy birthday, man. You're with us always, brother to the moon.
Hey, let's, I just want to say thank you, Matt Meyer, for letting everybody rock out tonight. And thank you, everybody, for coming out and celebrating what is to be a beautiful day from now on and a happy day. So just remember, we may not have Marc anymore, but we have his memories and we have each other. So, yeah, that's what it's all about. But I don't know how many of you remember the good old days, but Richard Cranium 3 Marc Eatons featured Mr. Israel Alcazar on the drums, the original Richard Cranium lineup.
I remember those days.
Good old days. Hey, all right, yeah, all right. So we had a. Yeah. Hey. Chick. Yeah, alright, that's good. Yeah, alright. Giggity. So, this was a request from Phil. It's gonna be really tough to play this song. It's been a while. But, this was actually Mark's favorite Richard Cranium song to play because he did this crazy fill on the record and he thought he was awesome. And Israel has no toms. So this one goes out to Mark. What if I took a trip and all I had was these dreams? But I come back. Thanks a lot, guys. Thank you, Matt. Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Israel, Sid, Mike Myra, the sinister minister of funk over there on the bass. I'm Super Chad. Hope to see you guys soon. Peace.
Dude, I haven't even heard those songs in like 2 years. No.
Chad, how does it feel to play another?
All right, thanks very much, everybody. We'll be back somewhere next Thursday
Did you really go?
at some certain time.
Do you have anything you want to say?
We miss you, Mark.
You can take all the time, put it in a big brown bag for me. Sail around the southern ocean, drop straight into the deep blue sea. She's as sweet as Tupelo honey, just like an angel from the first degree. She's as sweet as Tupelo honey, just like honey baby from the bee. You can't stop us on our road to freedom, and you can't stop us 'cause our eyes can see. Men with the inside of men in granite, knives and armor, intent on chivalry. Oh, she's as sweet as Tupelo honey, just like an angel from the first degree. She is as sweet as Tupelo honey, just like honey baby from the bee. Give us to her. I got something to say. It's been a long, hard year for a lot of us. We keep on getting through it. We stick together. That's what it's all about, kids. Family, keeping that vibe going strong. Trust me. But tonight we're all here together. Tupelo. And let your soul shine.
Or you can take all the tea in China, put it in a big brown bag for me. I'll sail across the seven oceans, drive it in the middle of the deep blue sea. She's as sweet as Tupelo honey. She's an angel of the first degree. She's an angel. She's as sweet